Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to productivity tools or a longtime ClickUp user, today's video is going to cover a small but important habit: how to log out of your ClickUp account safely and efficiently. This may sound simple, but logging out properly, especially on shared or work devices, is a key step in keeping your account secure and ensuring no one else gains access to your workspace. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your ClickUp account efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking for a quick refresher on logging out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step with clear and concise instructions. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is navigate to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and type in ClickUp's web address, or simply search for ClickUp in your search engine. Click on the link to access the ClickUp website. Make sure you're logged into your account if you aren't already. If you're working on a team computer or public device, make sure you recognize which ClickUp account you're logged into, especially if multiple people use the same machine. Now, once you are on the main dashboard of ClickUp, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a series of icons and options. Among them is your profile icon, typically represented by your profile picture or initials. It's located either at the top or somewhere along the menu line on the left. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This action will bring up a small menu with a list of options related to your account settings. Now that you have the right menu in front of you, it's time to look for the logout option. It's usually at the bottom of the drop-down menu. It should be clearly labeled as Logout. Click on this option, and just like that, you'll be logged out of your ClickUp account. If you're switching between personal and work accounts in ClickUp, it's a good idea to log out completely between sessions to avoid any mix-ups or accidental changes to the wrong workspace. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logging out of the correct one by double-checking the account details before you proceed. Once you've clicked Logout, the page will redirect you back to the ClickUp login screen. This ensures that your session is securely ended and your account is safe from any unauthorized access. Logging out is an important step when using shared or public devices, or even for maintaining privacy on your personal devices. It's always a good practice to end your sessions when you're done using a service. Consider enabling two-factor authentication 2FA in your ClickUp settings to add another layer of protection, especially if you work with sensitive or client data. Remember, if you need to log back in, just return to the ClickUp login page, enter your credentials, and you'll be back on your dashboard in no time. That wraps up our simple guide on how to log out of ClickUp. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Following these easy steps will keep your ClickUp account secure and your work private. If you have any more questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about ClickUp, feel free to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more ClickUp tutorials, productivity tips, and app how-tos. Thanks for watching and have a great day using ClickUp.